Howdy folks, this is Tom Barbalet here once again. So I was looking for 3D engines. I was really interested in like Unreal or Armor or any of the 3D engines that are available for compilation on the Mac, and even this compiles on Windows and potentially Linux as well. But this is the simulated ape currently. I've been spending a lot of time, let me pause it, I've been spending a lot of time working on the skeleton. So if you hit a new, whoop, oh, that's not what I wanted. Let me unpause it. See if we can get it running. Good. So you can actually move between, I think, all these apes. You see the skeletons? Redrawn. Amazing. New apes. Actually, they're just moving around. So I was looking at this and I was thinking, well, I already have a 3D engine with my simulation. And then I was looking at, this is the planet simulation. I've shown that to people. And then also, finally, the urban simulation of noble apes wandering around in an urban environment. Look at this. So, I've already got all these engines that I've basically developed, that I maintain. Why do I need a 3D engine? Well, it would be nice to interface with something like Armor. It would be nice to interface with something like Unreal. But I already have all these engines that I maintain myself. And when I look for open source 3D engines, it seems like I'm the only person that's actually doing it in any real sense, which is very curious to me, because I've been developing this software since 1996. And just maintaining software that does all these bits and pieces, let me just pause this so you can see just maintaining software that does all this stuff is something that I've done for many years now. You can even put the brain code, I believe, on top of this one. Where are we? Brain code. Look at that. Let's unpause it. See the brain code changing. So, I've had a history of doing this kind of stuff, and I'm looking for something else to make it more official. But I've already got all this stuff. And where are the developers out there? Where are the people that actually have open source projects that still run to this day that are anywhere like this? I'm looking for C open source projects that have graphics engines, like the stuff that I've been able to develop. Literally, I had to rewrite OpenGL. I had to rewrite an OpenGL-like code to get this code to work. I think if you twist it, you can actually... Yep. There we go. So I wrote this back in the day. It's still maintained it to this day. And this is... let's get the central window up. This is Simulated Ape running on the Mac. It'll run on Windows too if you want to do it. I can do that periodically. Don't have a dedicated Windows machine. But anyway... So this isn't to satire the work that I've done. This is just to say, hey, I've been doing this for many years now, and I'm really interested if other people are still doing this. Are there still open source graphics engines out there? Would it be possible for me to actually get the ARM source code for Armor 2 or Armor 3? I've been looking at the DayZ related stuff for Armor 2 and Armor 3. And they're all launchers. They're not actually the underlying graphics. So anyway, I don't want to satirize it, but it does seem rather curious to me that I'm the only person that still does this. And I've tried to find others like me. Anyway, Tom Barbalet in Las Vegas, Nevada, signing out.